Before cleaning a gas fireplace, switch off the gas valve, which is usually on the wall close to the fireplace. Take the gas logs outside and brush them clean with a soft bristle paintbrush. If your fireplace has lava rocks in the bottom, spread them out on an old towel and use a brush or hose attachment on a vacuum cleaner to suck up loose dirt. If you're worried about accidentally sucking up the rocks, put a piece of cheesecloth over the nozzle of the vacuum and secure it in place with a rubber band. Before putting the logs and rocks back in, vacuum out the inside of the fireplace. Spray a fireplace-safe glass cleaner on a dry cloth and buff it over the glass cover of your fireplace using small, circular movements. Wipe down the inside edges of the fireplace with a cloth dampened in plain water to get rid of stubborn grime. If there's any tough grime on the outside of the fireplace, wipe it down with a soft cloth dipped in water and mild dish soap. When you're done, put the rocks, logs, and glass cover back in place. Wait until any wet areas dry out before starting a new fire.